Do you want SEO optimized description and tags for your Shopify store products? So here is the automation in which we are analyzing the product's images, and based on that we are generating the content or the description and also the tags that can rank you up in the Google. So you just have to go into make.com, add a module as a trigger to search the products. You can set up a limit. Let's say I set up as 2000, and based on that you can set up a filter. Let's say from 2000 I only want to description and tags for these products that come under this tag. So let's say there are 5 products. I just added a tag make test fun. That 5 products will be passed through this automation, and then it will be submitted to ChatGPT module, that's vision, which can analyze the image and give you a description. You can write a cool prompt, and based on that it will you just have to link the image source, and based on that it will give you the results, cool description, and also for the tags you can just add another module. Same, you can link the image and write a description to make tags, and then you just have to map all the information in your Shopify store, like the product ID, the HTML, and the item in the tags. So it will be updated in your Shopify store. So here is a cool automation. If you have any questions related to this, you can just comment on my video, or just text on my WhatsApp number given on my channel. So thank you for watching.